Howdy. Today for our group presentation, we chose a topic about PMSG, which is pregnant mare serum gonadotropin, and it is a hormone that helps, a horse hormone that helps pig farmers. So, what is this hormone? First of all, it's a hormone found in pregnant mares, and it is used to synchronize the hormones and the estrous cycle of pigs in farms. So its extraction leads to major ethical concerns and it raises serious animal welfare concerns. So we're going to see how both popular perspective and the peer-reviewed article's scientific view sees this hormone. So first of all, for popular press perspective articles, we summarized them and we noted most important parts of them. So first of all, they state that pregnant mares in Argentina, Uruguay, and Iceland are subjected to repeated blood draws, abortions, and poor living conditions to get this hormone. So there are serious ethical concerns already in the European Union because it's being exported over there for pig farming. However, the evidence of the suffering and health risks of the articles report that the facilities continue to use this hormone with small amount of regulation, and these articles do call for make a strong call for welfare standards for these animals. So for a peer-reviewed perspective, it takes more of a scientific approach, but it's still their view is still against this hormone. So the PMSG hormone is used to synchronize the estrous cycle, as we already mentioned, and improves fertility of breeding sows. Specifically, it just synchronizes. It's used to synchronize the pig estrous cycles. And so these blood farms in Iceland, Argentina report these animal cruelties in forms of forced abortion or overbleeding of mares to get this hormone. So research suggests that some health impacts from this blood extraction can also cause anemia, and its recovery does depend on the nutrition of the animal. So then overall, these articles do point out that there's a product inconsistency, which means that there's no safety and efficacy of this product. So these are some pictures, and then the image on the left shows the estrous cycle of a horse. However, for a pregnant mare, it is different because the hormonal changes cause their body to produce the PMSG hormone that is used for pig farming. So on the right hand side, we can see the image which shows the estrous cycle of a pig, and then this estrous cycle is the goal to be achieved for every single one at the same time for every pig, and so for every sow, so that it can lead to a more efficient and more predictable production. So overall, our stance over this topic is that we are not for the abuse of the mares to use this hormone for pig production. We don't agree that it should be extracted in large amounts and cause anemia to these horses or any problems at all. And so we do think it's important that the public is aware of all these facts, but not only about the popular perspective, but should be informed about the topic overall. So at the end, this is what everyone contributed to this group project. These are our works cited for popular press articles, and then these are works cited for peer-reviewed articles. Thank you.